Let's pretend, kids!
Hello, my fellow buggies. Welcome to another episode of Let's Pretend Kids. I'm Violet.
I'm Zoe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe.
Today we're opening Build a Garden. And a special thanks to Vinciph for giving us this gift. So there's 109 pieces. So it looks like it's 3 and older. So on the side you're looking at right now, it has different parts of flour that you can stack. And on this side it says Build a Garden. There's a lot of green pieces. Yay! We got our first flower piece. A pink flower. We also got a butterfly. A light purple flower, and there's a dark one.
I feel like there's 2 more. I found it's a pinkish one.
It's kind of a pinkish orangey color. Wait, one second.
Pour it. Whoa! There's more butterflies!
Oh my god.
They put butterflies in the boxes!
This is like getting deep. What you can do is you gotta take it from the top and pull it down so you can make a circle. And then you can stack your leaf, and then you can stack whatever flower you want. And there is some small pieces to put them on there, and then you can add some of these. Ooh. And there you go. You got your flower. And then you can start putting more. And then you can finally get going.
You can see I'm already doing it for Alex. Yeah,
It's looking very nice.
This is like so easy so far. And there's more butterflies coming in the box. I feel like there's supposed to be a butterfly in the field since there's butterflies in the
And you can put 2 stems
Look,
all like this.
You see I made a circle?
So you can get a taller flower.
As long as you're reading something, good.
This flower. And we'll give it a nice.
I'll give it this.
Nice.
Ooh,
I
this.
think I will want to save that maybe.
I think I'm gonna put the little ones. I'm putting. You guys can see. You guys can see. You can put big flowers with little flowers.
That's good.
You guys see what I'm doing over here?
Very nice.
I can put little flowers.
That's nice.
That is a pretty flower. I better make some more. Really easy so far. Wow, look what I found. That was cool.
Oh, very, very, very tall flower. I think it's a very, very tall flower to stand out from the rest.
I'm gonna make
It's a masterpiece.
That's really a masterpiece.
Let's put this. And you can put some red stuff to put it on the bottom of the butterfly so that you can do this. So it looks like they're using their very long tongue to get some pollen. My garden is finished.
Mine is still.
I'll give you a little spin of my flowers.
I'm putting it on the top. Let me give you a spin of mine. You see, we both kind of did the same.
We're gonna make some flowers so that we can put them in the vase. Remember, you don't have to put some flowers in the vase. You can keep them on your garden, but we're gonna do it.
Okay, girls, what do you think?
I like about it is like you can make tall flowers with big or little, and there's little caps to put on. And you can stick butterflies like they actually like pollen from us.
Overall, I think it was a very, very good toy. I think I would buy like way more of these and just make a whole garden in our front yard. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like
and subscribe.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye. See Sunday videos on Let's Pretend Kids. Bye.